Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make the most popular and trending drink in South India. The ingredients and the recipe of this drink is very simple, but the way you make it, the way you serve it, and the way you drink it makes the difference. And the name of this drink is called Fuljar Soda. So to make this drink, you need a short glass and a tall glass. And here I am showing you two variations, one is spicy and one is sweet. So let's start with the spicy Fuljar Mojito. Into a short glass add in some crushed green chilies, some crushed ginger and few mint leaves, and some soaked sabja seeds. Add some lime juice from half lemon, one small lemon wedge for that extra flavor, and the main ingredient is salt. Now into a tall glass add some soda and take the short glass and drop it inside. And the moment you drop in, because of the salt inside the recipe, the soda started to bubbles up. And the moment the bubbles started to overflow, you have to drink it immediately in one stretch. And that's the way you drink Fuljar Soda. Now let's make the sweet version. So here I have taken some black Jamoon, which is very much in season now. You have to de-seed it and add it into a blender. Add some sugar and some lime juice. Now give it a blend and keep it aside. Now into a short glass add the soaked sabja seeds and the black Jamoon puree. If you want, you can blend and strain it to get rid of the skin of the black Jamoon. Now add some salt and drop this short glass into the tall glass with soda. Now the sweet version Jamoon Fuljar Soda is ready. So definitely try out these two recipes and give this video a big thumbs up. You can try different variations with different fruits. Share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.